Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export code from Base44. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To start, go to Base44 and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll down and open the app you want to export the code from. For example, you can open one of your existing projects from the list. After opening the app, you'll notice that most export options are paid. While this can be a bit annoying, it does make sense. For example, if you choose to export your project to GitHub, you'll see that you need to upgrade to the Builder Pro, Elite, or Enterprise plan, which starts at around $40 per month. This upgrade enables GitHub integration and allows you to export your project directly. Although $40 may seem expensive, it's still much cheaper than hiring a developer to write the entire code for you. You'll also notice that if you click on the three dots menu and choose options like exporting the project as a zip file, this also requires an upgrade. However, there is a manual method you can use for free, although it takes significantly more time. To do this, click on the three dots and select Files Used in this page. Then click on See All Files. This will show you all the files used in your project. From here, you can open individual pages and view their code. Once you're inside a file, scroll all the way to the bottom. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift and then use the up arrow key to select everything. On Windows, this would be Control plus A. After selecting all the code, copy it and paste it into a file on your computer. You'll need to repeat this process for every page and component, making sure you copy everything completely. You can also go through your components and copy their code the same way. The key here is to carefully go through every file and make sure nothing is missed. Once you've copied all the code, you can manually upload it to GitHub or wherever you want to store your project. This manual method is free, but it's very time-consuming and easy to make mistakes, such as forgetting a line of code. And that's it. So that's basically how you export code from Base44. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.